Here it is, Roborock Saros 10R. So let's see what's inside the box. This is the vacuum cleaner. We can take that separately then. And here we have the base station. Ooh, looking good. This glass cover, shiny.
What's that?
Cleaning for the mops. And this is the vacuum itself, robot. And here you have the quick guide instruction. Fast and easy. The mops, rotating mops. Full user guide, ramp. What do we have here? It's the robot itself. So the dog and cat hair will be transported to the middle. Okay. So so you can remove this and clean them. And these mops goes out here like that. This is with the accessories, connection cable, a white bag with something. Show us, what can it be? I'm so excited. Could it be chewing gum?
What is it?
It's the dust. It's the dust bag.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So let's see for the instruction. The first, number one, attach the ramp to the base station. Connect to the electric cable. Place the dock on a hard wooden floor, board, table. Pull this out, so here you already have a bag. Here you fill your cleaning agent.
Returning to dock. Charging.
And that was the unpacking of the Roborock Saros 10R.